let's talk all about appointments in Paperbell. So when you log into Paperbell, the first screen you'll see is this appointment screen. It's going to show you a list of your upcoming appointments with your clients and a history of all of your past appointments with them too. You're able to click into any of the upcoming appointments and make changes to them. So here you see all the details, the date and the time, as well as the meeting link. So that's the link to the appointment in Zoom or Google Hangout, whichever one you've integrated. And these are the details that your client will also see in their calendar and in any invitation emails they get from Paperbell. If you want to make changes, you can just click Edit Details in the bottom right. And here is where you can change the date or the time if you want to reschedule. And also you have the option to delete this appointment too. Now, if you want to allow your clients to book their own appointments, they can do that from inside their client portal. But you can also book appointments for them from your Paperbell login using this Book Appointment button. So if you click on this, you're going to be presented with a list of your clients who have booked packages that have appointments remaining in them. It's not all of your clients, it's only the ones with remaining appointments. So let's talk about why that is. Now, this is a little bit different to what you might be used to from pure scheduling software, where you can book appointments for anyone at any time. And that's because Paperbell allows you to sell full coaching packages that provide your services top to bottom, including scheduling. So we don't just handle scheduling, we also handle payments, contract signing, survey completion, and providing content to your clients. You name it, if your coaching provides it, we bundle it up into a package. And that's why you can book appointments for your clients as long as they have appointments remaining on that package. So let's click into this person at the top. Here is where you can book the appointment. You can set the date and the time. One thing to note here is that when your clients book appointments with you, they are limited to your available coaching hours. But when you book appointments with them, you aren't limited. You can book in an appointment at any time, regardless of what your availability says. So let's say you don't normally allow folks to book on Tuesday mornings, but you want to give this person the VIP treatment, and you will set up an appointment for them on the coming Tuesday at 9 a.m. Another thing that you can do in here is you can set up repeating appointments. So this appointment could repeat weekly, every other week, or monthly on this day of the week. That's another thing your client can't do because they don't know into the future what your calendar's availability is like. So if a client wants to book at a time that you don't normally work with them, or if they want to book a repeating appointment so that they can meet you every week, you can handle that yourself from inside of the Paperbell portal right here. Another thing that you can do is add group sessions. So if you are presenting webinars to a group of people, or you are doing sharing circles or different kinds of group sessions, you can set those up from here as well. So if you click Add Group Session, then you can select the package that this group session will belong to. We'll add it to the Pay What You Want package. And what's going to happen when you set this up is that all of the clients who have already booked this package, they'll get an email with a list of the group sessions in the package, including those meeting links. Plus, everyone who signs up to the package from this date onwards, they'll automatically be invited to the group session. So if I save this group session, that's going to send out those invitations and create a group session within that package. So that's everything you need to know about booking appointments with your clients using Paperbell.